Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. OPD here. Haven't had a lot of content as of late, but I got something I'm pretty proud of tonight. Young man I'm working with saw the little slip that I made for my little Victorinox pocket knife here, and he was asking questions if I did leather work, and I said, yeah, I tinker with it. I'm starting to play with it. And he said, I have an old buck knife that my grandmother gave me, and I kind of ruined the end of the sheath. So this is the knife here. Gorgeous knife. But he had cut or tried to trim the leather, and you can see a little hole right there where the I don't know the technical name of this spline or whatever you call this inner piece of leather to add the thickness there, but you can see it just clear. But I just simply put some medium brown gel stain on there and let that soak in, then burnished it really good there, and sort of repaired his original sheath. The original sheath for this beautiful, beautiful buck USA skinning knife here. You can see there's the Bose or Boss, whatever they call it. It is a 12C27M. I'm assuming that's the steel. This is a buck USA 497, and that symbol, if I can focus on it there, that's for 2011. This ergonomic handle with the texturing here, the jigging and the rosewood. It has the jipping on the back of the blade, and it has this textured area on either side for that little fine gripping detail work. You can really grip and maneuver this knife. While I had it here repairing this, I put a good edge on it for him. It's pretty sharp. Let's see if we can get this little receipt to go there. So it's a pretty good edge on it. In fact, today I touched my finger there and it kind of leaked a little bit. But it's a beautiful knife. Okay, he's got a few scars on his sheath there, and when he was young, he carved these initials in the back of there, but it's his, so that's fine. When we're discussing this, he asked if I could convert this into a side draw, and I kind of said no. It would ruin this sheath. It'd be nice to keep the original sheath with the original knife. But what I did do for him is I went out on a limb and decided I'd try to make a sheath that he could wear side draw on his belt. And while I had the knife, I sketched out a plan for it. I traced the actual knife, how much room I would need. I toyed with matching this little profile here or leaving it full length, and I decided I'd leave it full length. I was mentally trying to figure out how to put a snap on here and secure the knife and have the belt loop. And I've never done it before. I mean, this little slip, the stitching is not very good. It was just a little piece of scrap. And it was a big undertaking for me. So I'm gonna pop this out of here. and stick it in this sheath that I made. The goal was to have a old or antique looking finish on it. So this is what I came up with. And I have stain on my hands right now because I just made the snap strap to go on there. What I did, I used my pattern there. I traced out my piece of this veg tan that was I bought in a pile of scrap for $20 from a local leather crafter here in town. I wetted it down, folded the leather into taco shape. I scored the center, then I scored on either side to help conform to the shape. And while it was wet, I crumpled it up to create some of these lines that show in there and sort of give it that old look. And I thought it'd just come out really good. This was a real challenge, sewing through 4 layers of leather here. But all in all, I think the stitching came out pretty good for my first sheath type attempt. And because I was going for ambidextrous, he could wear it on either side. He could wear it on his back. He could even wear it, you know, appendix carry in the front. But he wanted it secured with a snap, so as he's deer hunting, it's not going to just fall out on him. And I struggle with a way of fastening with the strap on there, so I came up with, he can wear it in this configuration, snap and pull. If it's on the other side, and he just snaps that side loose. I mean, you could take the entire thing off and the knife still doesn't fall out. But to make it a little more secure, the strap just snaps on there. And all in all, I'm going to call this a success. I think it came out pretty good for a novice beginner, and I'm very happy with that, the way it came out. And I just love this rosewood handles. The way this thing is shaped, very ergonomic, very comfortable on the hand. And any way you grip it, it's got grip points for it. Fantastic knife. I hope the young man likes this. I mean, he did get to see a preview because I left this really long that I needed to fit the knife again. But all in all, I think it came out fantastic. The one thing I wish I had done was where I terminated the string and melted it. I wish I'd have done it on the back side. But I don't think that takes away too much from it. But thanks to my little bottle of gel and some $3 snap kit, and I bought this handy dandy rolling cutter that was recommended by Mike over at Make Cutlery Great Again. It's like $12 at Tandy. So there you go. The only thing I need to do now is rub this down with some mink oil, and it'll be a finished product. Pretty proud of it, I must say, for the first thing other than a simple little knife slip. I think it came out pretty good. There you go, guys. Until I see you again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And before I say have a beautiful day, I'm going to put a link to a new channel I found. It's primarily just shorts. I believe the channel has 76 viewers. Worth a look, worth a like, and definitely worth a subscribe. I'd like to push that channel over 100 before we go to the knife show next week. That would be really cool. So I'll put a link here, and please go there, check it out. So again, till I see you all again, have yourselves a beautiful day.